a time where I was driving to a bakery, I believe, and I caught her red light. I was cool for a while, and then I left. She later on messaged me, she's like, "What the hell are you doing at a bakery? What you doing?" I'm like, "What are you talking about?"
No. You see, the way you paint the picture is so wrong. First of all, he said he was going to a basketball game with his friends. Now, if you're going to a basketball game,
I don't know how the fuck I'm about to open this. It's got the cork in it, don't it?
That's nowhere near the basketball game. And I can see that on your GPS, so I FaceTime him, and he doesn't answer. Then he takes some time and texts me that that it was wrong. I was like, I'm looking at the GPS, and he said, "Oh, well, no, I'm not there." So my eyes are apparently just deceiving me now.
So what do you think occurred when you?
I don't got no underwears on. I mean, no pants. Hold on.
Flat basketball.
You want scissors?
I was just driving around.
I'm just saying.
Look, I don't think it's that bad to pass by a bakery, get a quick snack, and go. I don't think it's such a big thing to mention the full thing. Like, I've been at the bakery when I just want to pick something up.
So he can't. Let's say he going somewhere. Driving down the road. He said, there's a Subway. Let me go over there and have one. If you find out he's at Subway, are you gonna have a problem with it?
Oh man, I can't open my
I don't
wine.
have a problem with that. I just think you should let me know where you're going.
So how did my tracker ended up? She wants me to physically tell her
You should be alarmed.
I'm just glad people are here.
Early warning signal.
Good thing I brought toilet paper too.
I'm just saying.
How the fuck am I open
There's a
this?
whole lot of accountability that you're looking for.
I mean, in this day and age, I feel like it's necessary. People are out here just doing whatever. I want to be secure with what I have. I don't want people in my relationship if I can.
Let me say this to you. If she got a real business,
No, I don't see the money anywhere.
My money is my money, period. So,
You see how it does? That's not even it.
Here's today's viewer question. My girlfriend gets upset if I don't text her right back, but sometimes I just can't. What should I do? Share your thoughts online and stay tuned for Judge Lynn's answer.
today's question is sponsored by.
We see a lot of people with muscle cramping. I probably use TheraWorks Relief on close to 1,000 patients.
Get TheraWorks Relief today in stores everywhere.
Divorce Court will be right back.
Woo!
If your guns bleed
Oh shit! I'm glad y'all was here to witness that.
and the clock could be ticking towards
I just had to
bad
push it
breath,
in.
receiving gums and possibly tooth loss. Help turn back the clock on gingivitis with
Oh
Parodontax.
shit! It splashed all on
Leave
my
gums
fucking
behind.
face.
Parodontax.
I'm sorry.
Got my wine open. That's all I wanted.
Have a break.
Damn. I'm glad y'all witnessed that. It's crazy over here right
After
now.
an accident, you'll have to pay $500 for your deductible. The truth, at Allstate, you can pay $0. Allstate gives you $100 off your deductible the day you sign up. Then another $100 off every year you don't have an accident. Let the good hands reward your safe driving with a deductible that goes away. Now that you know the truth, are you in good hands?
Do you have bad credit but you need a car?
Yeah, I just got in from picking up the baby. I didn't vlog when I went to Chipotle.
Buyers are approved every month, and you can be too. No matter what your credit passed, there can be a new car in your
Or
future, thanks to Credit
on the
Solutions,
bus.
a division of Hudson Hyundai in
Or
Jersey City.
when I got my eyebrows and my lip threaded.
And drive home any new Hyundai for as little as $68 down. Yes, $68 down. Credit Solutions at Hudson Hyundai. Call for pre-approval now. 1-800-599-0782.
If you've been injured in a car accident,
Cheers.
choosing
Click,
the right
click, click,
law firm
click,
is crucial. Salino & Barnes is one of the nation's largest personal injury firms. So before you hire a lawyer,
I should
ask
have got
how
the
many
pink
of your
one. That shit is
clients
a little.
received million-dollar results.
As one of the nation's largest
Shit is a little better.
firms,
Anyways, this is a Chipotle mukbang. Ruki's in there eating her food. I bought her Chipotle too. But she just don't like all the She just don't like all the extra shit. all of you know, vegetables, corn, and all that other stuff, onions. You know, she like it simple, so I just got her white rice, pinto beans, and chicken. So yeah, let me see my prayers, then we're gonna get into it.
Including an AARP Medicare Advantage plan from United Healthcare. It can combine your hospital and doctor coverage with prescription drug coverage and more, like primary care doctor visits for a low copay. All in one simple plan for a low monthly premium. Take advantage of a vision exam for a $0.
Oh yeah, and she got cheese on the side. She just got white rice, pinto beans, and chicken,
For a $0 copay. And hearing aids
and corn on the side. I have
Plus, pay as low as $0 for a 3-month supply of your prescription drugs with home delivery. Annual enrollment.
I got brown rice,
Call United Healthcare now about an AARP Medicare Advantage plan.
chicken, pinto beans, lettuce, sour cream, mild sauce, medium sauce,
If you would like your case to be heard on divorce court, call us.
corn, sour cream, lettuce,
877-311-2222.
I think that's it.
Or
Cheese on the
log to our
side.
website at divorcecourt.com. Missed the show? Watch full episodes on our streaming platforms, and for exclusive content, go to Apple TV.
I had to go get my wine.
You'll never be secure in what you have if your social security is dependent upon somebody.
Because when my friend had came over
The man in your dreams. He may be Mr.
the other night, he had bought me the big bottle of Taylor Boy, and I finished that last night.
But he could also get hit by a bus.
So as you can see, I bought
hate
this.
women come in here and have their game plan attached just to a dude. You should have a game
And then I
plan of
bought,
your own.
Taylor Boy.
Use this dude.
Look at the cork in there.
But it's not about this dude.
You see the cork?
Yeah.
Well, what's your game plan?
I have a business. I just don't work for someone else. So I'm not gonna.
So you're making money.
Yes.
A real business.
Yes.
You're not just goofing around.
No.
Is she got a real business?
Oh, no, I don't see the money anywhere.
Oh shit.
You don't know what business you
I just talking about bills.
Because my money is my money. Period. So.
You see how it does? That's not even it. And I mentioned earlier in the relationship, she had admitted to going on these dating apps to see what's out there for a cool second.
Did you do that?
I did, but it was because he had his own little dating app time. So I thought, hey, why don't I
You want a
join
dating
it?
app, Mr. Mendez?
Beforehand, yeah, I told her I was on a dating app before we officially started dating. I told her that once we.
Wrong.
It might have stayed on my phone a little bit longer, but besides that, it got.
You know, it's really weird. Women are like, you know.
You like my eyebrows?
I like you.
I think she did okay. I got my eyebrows threaded, okay, finally. And I got my lip wax.
Everybody that used to be attached, oh my God, you know, things kind of have to happen. The relationships evolve over time. People drift off. It's not like, January 2, midnight.
Oh no.
Everything goes away.
Like I said, I want security, and I understand where you're coming from, but I feel like if I'm not secure with this person, if this person isn't showing me that they're here for me and just for me, then maybe I need to start seeing who else wants to be here just for me.
I don't know what else a man could do. He's working, you're living off of his money, you keeping all your money to yourself. You got all of his passcodes, you track him on the Facebook. I mean,
Maybe she had a plan. Or maybe she's just insecure.
Jump out of an airplane with a chute that says, I really do love you.
And I believe that all comes from her ex.
Uh-huh.
He does some stuff, I believe, she thought to her, that broke her trust.
That was uncool.
That was uncool, and I understand that, that's to his point, but the issue is she brings him up constantly,
Do you bring him up a lot?
I let him know beforehand that I had trust issues and what I'd been through.
So you shouldn't be trying to date.
When I feel that he's showing the same exact behavior that I've seen in the past.
A wise woman speaks not of the last guy to the new guy.
The thing is, I stand very tall in my truth, okay? You cannot make me feel like I am crazy for doing the things that I'm doing. I might be crazy, but not for that. I'm sorry. It just is what it is. I need to know that
I didn't eat all day, y'all.
there's too many diseases out here. There's too many things going on. And I need to know that I'm gonna be healthy, we're gonna be healthy, and we're gonna be in this together. Period.
Today's question sponsored by
I just took the baby to school, went to upload content. Uploading content for y'all today took me a little bit. It took me a little bit more longer than usual because I was trying to upload the whole burger, fries, and salad mukbang as a whole, the whole 34 and change minute video.
Remember, the annual enrollment period is here. The time to choose your Medicare coverage.
And my other phone just wasn't trying to let me be great.
So call United Healthcare.
So I had to break that video into 2 pieces. I still couldn't get all the minutes in the video. Like the last 4 or 5 minutes, I had to chop it off because
It can combine your hospital
I only could do 15 minutes each part, and it was really too much, y'all.
all in one simple plan for a low monthly
But
premium, or in some
I'm glad that I got it uploaded for y'all. So just go check that out. I know I broke it up into 2 parts, but
dental care and an eye exam.
if y'all love me, y'all would support me anyway because y'all see how hard I work, okay?
Free gym membership and rewards for staying active. So call
So then I caught the bus,
and take advantage of the range
went to go get my eyebrows and my lip done. That took me a little longer too because the lady,
see any doctor who accepts Medicare without a referral.
my lady who does my eyebrows and my lip,
United Healthcare or go on
had a client in her chair when I came. And the lady was getting her whole face studded. So, you know, that took long.
When I look at my old clothes now, I see dollar signs. Just this month, I've made a couple of $100 on Poshmark just selling items out of my closet.
Download the free Poshmark app now.
Then I went to Chipotle.
Fast diabetic weight loss. Lose weight fast.
I caught a ride back home though. That was clutch.
Fast plan that helps
I didn't have to wait for the bus, you know?
Continue to enjoy the foods you love. Text diabetic for you. Find it in the
Then I chilled for a little bit. Then it was time to get Wookie. Picked her up. We went to go get my wine. Came home. Now we're both eating our Chipotles.
This program brought to you locally by Raymore and Flanagan. Find it, feel it, furnish it fast.
She had a hard day, you know? I don't think she ate shit in school. So you know how us girls are, you know? When we don't eat, we fucking cranky and shit, you know?
Nights at 7 and 7:30 on My 9.
Oh, yeah. Nailed it.
And she eating her
Talking about.
You okay, Glenn? Dude, I'm just so
her last Lunchable that I bought her from yesterday.
price.
So she in there just eating, watching cartoons. After we eat, we're gonna play. I gotta wipe down my couch
McChicken and small fries.
because I've been needing to do that. So I'm gonna wipe down my couch.
Delicious $3 bundles.
And I mean real good to the point where I'm not even gonna be able to sit on it
For more than
for the rest of this
25
night because it's
years,
gonna have to dry, you know? But I've been needing to do that.
Healthcare.
Clean down my sofa, man.
Just for New Yorkers. This year, our Medicare Advantage plans are adding more benefits. Including up to $150
Yeah,
each month.
letting us on my body.
It means more for you at the gym. With free access to fitness centers.
I know.
With benefits that cover, well, everything. All for premiums as low as $0.
I don't have the regular
generic drugs.
you know that Sutter wine.
No
What is it called? Sutter House or something?
No wonder nearly 1.4 million New Yorkers rely on us. Now in more places than ever.
That's just stronger than the one that I think it's called Sutter Home, Sutter House.
Health first.
That's the normal Moscato that I like to get.
Care. Enrollment ends December 7th.
Mr. Mendez, you brought her here because you said you want $700 for the iPhone back. Because you're leaving it, but you ain't going nowhere, right?
So what happened with the phone was she had a phone previously. I accidentally went to go to the car to go get her purse, and I didn't know her purse was open and her phone was just there. So when I pulled it, her phone fell, broke, it stopped working. She got upset because she's usually on her phone constantly doing stuff. So I felt bad. I was like, you know what? I'll purchase
I'll
her
buy
a new
your phone.
I
Right.
got her a new phone, cool. you know, I didn't have an issue with it, but then she started being stuck on the phone too much, and then she decided that it would be okay if I started paying her bill since I got the new phone for her. And I just feel like I got the phone
I feel
already.
like that was a. I mean, we both agreed on that one, but whatever.
Both agreed on it, but if she gonna be tracking me and using the phone for all this nonsense, I feel like she should be paying for it if she wanna be tracking me like that.
She got him. The bottom line is she got him on lock.
First of all, I'm not awarding anybody any money because I know ain't nobody leaving nobody here. You living at his house and you just think she is the best thing since sliced bread. So I know that you two are gonna.
First of all, I'm not living at no nigga's house. Period. Put a period on that, poo. Absolutely not.
Number 2, you're good people. Number 3, if you were my daughter, I'd pop you in the
I'm gonna always have my own shit for me and mine. And because I need my own space. I don't need to live with somebody. You know, my whole life I've lived with family, friends, shelters, and all this shit. Like, absolutely not. At this point in my life, it's upward and onward. Okay?
Get a little distance there, brother. You know what I mean? Just no. There's a way to be happy in love.
Oh, I
And it's
know.
got nothing to do with GPS tracking or knowing where a dude is. Happy in love is I ain't heard from my husband in 3 days and it don't bother me. You know what I'm saying? That's happy.
You're wrong, though. I'm just saying. 3 days? 3 whole days.
A chick is busy. I have things to do.
Hey, I guess.
That, to be secure is to not know where they are, not know what
And
they're
to trust
doing,
them.
and really believe that he's not doing anything to hurt me. And he believes the same thing. And if you get that kind of love, then that's the kind of love that will secure you. You can only secure love from the inside out, not from the outside in.
Why?
I think you're charming.
Thank you.
And I want you to be careful.
It ain't supposed to be spicy.
Oh, wait.
Continue to use birth control. And there will be no recovering this matter.
I guess you just can't eat Chipotle. Now she's saying the food is spicy. Ain't nothing in it. Just chicken, rice, and beans.
As far as the trust goes.
Unlike mine,
That's your own insecurity.
I got everything in here.
Please, some
I mean, 7 to 10 times a day.
Yeah, it might be a little too much, man, but I can help it sometimes.
Thank you so much.
Attention accident victims. Did you break or fracture your leg, ankle, arm, wrist, hip, or any other bone and had surgery? Call 1-800-LAW-2133 to hire a
I gave her teacher the candy bags this morning.
cases involving
She was like, thank you, I got the candy.
and rods. Your case may be worth hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars. If you've been involved in an
I
accident,
told her there's one in there for you too.
surgery, or other serious
You know, who don't like candy?
Law 2133 now.
I mean, I know people for real that don't, not that they don't like it, they don't eat it, you know? I like candy, I don't eat it all the time, but if I have a sweet tooth for something, of course, you know? Why not?
800-600-5400. Need new windows, kitchen or bath, new brick street or cement driveway? Don't wait. Call the Rehab Doctor of Rehab Associates now at 800-600-5400. New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, 800-600-5400.
This program brought to you locally by Raymore and Flanagan. Find it, feel it, furnish it fast.
Say hello to the new and improved Fox 5 NY weather app. Download it today. Judge, this is the case of Hot Girl Summer.
They're married. She wants an open relationship, and he doesn't. Now I've got to find out why she thinks adding a new man will solve her old problems.
Court is now in session. The Honorable Judge Lynn Toller presiding.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here today with Robert Morris and Diana Cordova. The two of you have been married for 3 years, but you have been separated for the last 4 months. Mr. Morris, I'm going to start with you. Why don't you tell me?
They got married young. He's 27, she's 25.
Yes, Judge Scholler. I'm here today because my wife she wants to be in an open relationship, and I cannot stand it. Let me tell you a little more about that. So I came home a year ago, and she gave me the ultimatum. She told me that if I didn't want to be in an open relationship, that she was going to leave me. And that hurt me so bad, but it goes further. So I was in Florida visiting my dad, who was on his deathbed. He's dying with cancer. And she was on a business trip up in Northern California, and she went and had something with somebody.
Hey, Miss Cordova, is that true that you want to have an open relationship?
Okay, so part of it is true. Yes, I think I was definitely tired of not getting the love that I needed. I'm just over this whole situation already. It's been so many times that I've been trying to just be more sexy with him, be more romantic. He doesn't take me on dates. He doesn't do anything for me. And really, our sex life was just went boring. And we were not doing anything exciting, anything that was just taking me.
How long has it been that way?
Ooh.
How long has things been?
I would say,
Now the sex life is boring now, baby.
Over a year. Well, now.
All right now.
An argument that lasted over a year. That's not that long. I mean, things can get a little stale, and you can rev them back up. Is it just the staleness that has led you to want to have an open relationship?
no, I think I'm a person that takes care of myself. I like to exercise. I like to talk about smart stuff, and I like to just be out there. And I was not getting that with Robbie. I was not getting that social interaction. We were not having romantic.
So you just say like he's just dry. There's nothing about him. He's intellectually, sexually.
Hold on, y'all. Because I didn't finish my burger
Yeah, you can't do that.
last night. I got a small piece that I didn't finish, so I just stuck it in the fridge. And I want it right now. So let me see if it's ready for
I
me.
needed to be taken care of. I needed to be loved. I needed to be respected in a way, and he did respect me so
Well, now,
much.
did he have flavor in the beginning?
Woo!
Oh, yes.
I'm not getting this one again. Maybe I gotta get the pink one.
I guess I just had too much flavor. What can I say?
Hold on, y'all.
She said she wants an open relationship because she doesn't find this one satisfying, and she thinks you're the problem. Do you see, just, lean back, any truth in it?
No, I do not. You know, she says that I don't have enough flavor, and there's been multiple instances where she tells me that she can't even handle what I got, so how's she gonna go out there and get it from somebody else?
Did you tell your man you couldn't handle what he had?
Well,
Yeah, you did.
he definitely got some good things. I'm not gonna say no to that. But for me to just be in there 5-10 minutes and that being it, like, come on, I'm young. I want some diversity. I want just something more exciting. And so many issues by having a roommate that was around all the time. So I couldn't be me. I
Get that candy right here. Get one piece and go. You ain't taking that whole bucket.
was just
You think you slick? Give me that Chipotle.
find him out. That just shoot me down. I didn't want to.
Why is that his fault?
Because we wanted to move out of the situation, and he just kept saying that was a good place for us to be, and we couldn't find a different situation.
It was a good
And
place for us to be in. I mean, come on, we have an ocean view from our bedroom window. We could be laying in the bed, getting it on, and you could be looking at the ocean.
Give me something else that you're mad about that ain't got nothing to do with flavor.
well, he's a really negative person.
Give me an example of his negativity. Tell me a story that will make me say, "Ooh."
Well, there's so many times that he did so many things, but just coming out with one, we had a really good friend, one of my best friends. She had an ad in a company for these sunglasses. Everybody was congratulating her. Everybody was super stoked for her.
Right.
And what Robbie goes and says, sunglasses are really bad for you. They cause cancer. And he started writing all these things. When he could just keep his mouth quiet because he's my friend, and I felt
Sunglasses cause cancer?
Just talking about it and saying, wow, Robbie's
I've never heard that.
putting all this negative stuff in something so great for somebody else.
What's wrong with sunglasses?
You know, there's some myths out there that black blocking the sun from coming into your eyes can cause damage.
You see, he's not even sure. He's going and saying that.
You didn't believe it when you said it.
She's got a point.
So that's what I mean, Your Honor.
Well, give me another thing. That's just a random dumb thing to do.
Yeah,
Give me
that's
something else.
not even negative. Like,
Well, we also had times when we agree on doing things, and he would just bash me down, saying that it's not a possibility for us to do. Like moving out of our current situation, our living situation, I was always putting out there options. I was putting.
I heard about the living situation. There gotta be something else. Keep going.
Well, there was one time that we were having a discussion.
Yeah.
On the place that we both rented, we both paid the same price.
Right.
In amount. And he was mad, so he just told me to grab all my stuff and leave. When I was also paying for that place, he was kicking me out of the same
it
living
wasn't
situation
just
that we
one
were
time, Your Honor. It wasn't
And
just
then
one time.
that was not just one time. I let him go slide with that. And then the second time that he did it, I said, you know what? I'm getting out of here. He was yelling at me. The neighbors could hear it. Even the neighbors came and talked to me. And
They'll give it to their family. That's it. Everybody's not allergic to peanut butter. If you don't eat peanut butter, you give it to your friend, your cousin, your mother, your brother.
And he trolled somebody's comment on sunglasses. This does not lead to an open relationship. Give me something. What do you think the problem is, Mr. Morris? Why do you think she's so discontent?
A lot of times, Deanna sees me being angry when actually I'm just passionate. I'm expressing my point and standing up for what I believe in.
Uh-huh.
Well, that passion is what is causing all this problem, you know?
She just don't want to be with him. Just be real. Just be real. Come on now. Stop beating around the bush.
Find it, feel it, furnish it fast.
He's too this, is that, blues, A, and block. No.
Too close to home.
Oh, I'm watching Divorce Court. If y'all didn't, if y'all didn't realize that already.
Boys, call it off. If anything happens to that girl, there's not a self-market fine space. There's not somebody who lives near family.
Chicago PD. It all starts tonight at 8 on My 9. The evidence never lies on CSI Miami. Friday nights at 8 on My 9.
If you've been hurt in a car accident, a fall, or any
This
kind
my-
of accident, you may be entitled to
My
money
pizza burger I didn't finish yesterday, y'all.
reserved for your injuries.
I put it in the oven, so you know.
Call 1-800-677-2020.
The bun is crispy
The
as
call is
heck,
free.
but
The advice is free. Call
it's still good.
1-800-677-2020. Injured? We're waiting for your call. Call 1-800-677-2020 or go to lawyersgroup.com.
Hey, nice setup you got here.
Thanks, Ken.
And I see you over there that old
Jish.
Yup, the new home wasn't complete until we got Spectrum. Thanks for letting us know.
How we get back on the internet.
They're streaming non-stop. And we don't have to worry about data caps anymore. Right, guys?
Yeah, we love it.
Switch to Spectrum Internet for $44.99 a month with free modem. Call 1-833-621-4499. Get fast, reliable starting speeds of 200 megabits.
Wow, Glenn, your TV's bigger than you.
Look, Ken, with all this free HD, I wanted a huge screen to catch all my games. Get Spectrum TV with more free HD and more free on demand for only $44.99 a month. Call 1-833-621-4499. And the Spectrum TV app's on point. When the kids take over the TVs inside, I just come out here and stream my shows.
Best part, one bill and no contract. They even bought our old contract for $500.
Thanks again for the advice, Kev.
Just looking out for my friends.
Tell your friends to switch to Spectrum Internet and TV for just $44.99 a month each. Call 1-833-621-4499.
I'm always making hard calls in the courtroom. Now we want to know what you think. Call 800-900-3838 to give us your verdict. Plus, you'll hear great valuable offers. We want your ruling. So call 800-900-3838.
I do whatever I can to try to make her happy. I just feel like no matter what I do, she's gonna be happy. I mean, I work 3 jobs because we made an agreement. I know you don't want to live with a pig. I know you want to have the privacy, you know? And I'm compromising. I work 3 jobs as much as I can so that we can save up money to move out. But she says that I'm being negative when actually I'm being logical. Because for us to live in Southern California, we're not going to be able to do that just by me working working one job and her working one job with our current financial situation.
Well, and I did, and I went out and I had a full-time job, but there was just something over like one after the other one.
All the practical reasons. I mean, if you live in Southern California and you're not crushing it economically, it's tough.
Yeah.
I mean, everybody got a little
Right.
So is that really a non-issue? Because
I'm about to clean them. They're dirty.
That was not it. That time that he told me that he wanted me to get out of the house.
All right, let me end my
I was
mukbang.
just, okay, I'm leaving. He's already telling me to go. And then what he does, he starts grabbing all my stuff, all my clothes that is made.
All right, my babies. This is the end of the content video.
He just throws everything and says, I'm gonna help
I'm
you.
full.
For a second, I thought, he may help me, okay. I'm just gonna be calm. I'm getting out of here.
I love you all so much. Thank you all for watching. And I'll see you all in my next video. Peace and love.